welcome back to Daily 5280. It's your boy Obi. So today, putting on that BOOMBA Racing recirculating bypass valve. If you're new to the channel, this is real. 2019 WRX, the base model. I didn't go with an STI because I didn't want an STI. Because truth be told, the STI is actually slower than the actual base model WRX. So I went with that because it has a twin scroll 2.0 FADA motor. Some of the things that I've done to her already was the XXR wheels that I painted gold, or actually not gold but metallic. So if you want to see me do the whole step-by-step painting of that, I'll put a link up top there so you can actually go and take a look at that. I have a set of Achilles 265/30 19s on there, so we give you more of a flush stance. Yeah. A few other things that I've done so far is a 1320 catted J pipe. I have the Grim Speed intake on it. I am running the Cobb Big SF2 tune. Like I said, this actual bypass valve is going to allow me to go to the next step, which is going to be a Pro Tune, which I'm going to go through MoFab to do that. Right now, I got a buddy that's coming over, Preston Williams. You probably would have seen him in some of my other videos. He is bringing over his 2017 Ford Focus RS. The reason he's coming over because he has a set of tail lights that he just purchased and he wanted to install. So he wanted to do kind of like a joint video of us installing our parts, whatever like that. I was going to wait on him to get started, but I think I'm just going to jump in and try to get some of this done so we have a little more daylight. I'll holler at you in a second. Get my Hando-Dando tools here, get that just in case. Check out my top grade creeper here. Yeah, that was free. I didn't have to pay any money. I don't need wheels. It slide. It'll slide. See? See how good that slide? Easy. Get my toolbox here. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. I need this. I need that. I mean, what's the point of having a toolbox here if I'm gonna throw all my tools in there? Nothing like yard work when you're vlogging, huh? But hey, you know, I live in the neighborhood. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. I love my neighbors, honestly. They're some of the best people around. I definitely dig them. They put up with me in my loud car because that cold start's real. I'm not gonna lie to you, that cold start's real. Maybe you'll hear it because it's gonna be cooling off for a while. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna get started here. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. I don't know if you can see that, but I've basically taken the skid plate off. I've taken the actual plastic shroud off. So where I need to go is right up in here. So I need to take this off. I need to take that off, which is my Grim Speed intake. So take that off, take all of this off here so I can actually get to this recirculating bypass valve right here, the plastic one. So I don't know if you can see that, but like I said, it's right here. Maybe you can see it on the back end of things. But anyway, that's what I need to get. So, okay, let's go. So, real quick update. Preston is running a little behind, so I'm just gonna keep plowing through this to try to get things done. My battery's getting low on here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run in and grab another battery, swap it out, and I'll be right back. So, again, the reason why I'm replacing my bypass valve, because like I said, I'm going stage 2+, so it's gonna get a Pro Tune on there. And I wanna be able to hold as much boost as possible. With these basically plastic bypass valves, you blow on it, and I'm doing like maybe 5 PSI, leaking out of there. So the Boomba's not gonna do that. But anyway, speeding right up, guess who showed up?
Sorry. That sounds so strong. That must be the stevia in there. Is stevia, is that the stevia, or why does it taste like that?
I don't know what he's drinking. What are you drinking, man?
What is that? Like some strawberry, watermelon, I don't know, like some juice you pour in. My mom gave it to us because she didn't want it. My dad can't drink it or something. Oh. So, but that was, anyways, hello.
Hey. So, real quick, I will show you his car, because like I said, I promised you that once the car got here, I will show you what the RS looks like. Like I said, he got rid of the STI and went with a white RS, which honestly, if you ask me, and I said this again, you know I drive a WRX, the better car to get between the two is going to be the RS, because out of the box, the RS is way more powerful than the actual STI was. 350 horsepower versus 310 horsepower? Yeah. I mean, there's no comparison really, so.
But yeah, I mean, what do you think?
I like it. I mean, I like it.
So she also came with WeatherTech, that was nice. That's a good little upgrade, you know? The good old WeatherTechs. And then it had already on here some Bear Bra too from previous owner. The door jams and whatnot, so that was nice. But first things first, the intercooler. So it's an ETS front mount intercooler. And then he had a cop intake, but he put the stock one back on here. He took that off. And then this is my Turbo Smart 53 Surge 50 bypass valve on here. And then on the back side, I have a Miltech cab exhaust.
A few inches later.
So everything's back on. Sorry, I'm on my session 5. I don't know what I did. There it is right there. Anyway, I'm going to start it up and make sure everything is in tip-top shape. So, wish me luck. Everything's good. So now really I just got to button everything back up, put all these like millions of thousands of little pieces back, and then take it off the jack stand, and we'd be good to go. So with the magic of, you know, video and editing and stuff like that, Preston went ahead and installed his tail. How was the install? Was it pretty easy?
No, yeah, it was literally unscrew, take off, undo, hook, and it was more like a 5 to 6 step process. So it was really easy, and it's literally just like these 2 little screws up here, back here, and then literally just pull off the cable and then put the cable back in the new one, align it, screw it back in, and then it literally, I don't know, Lily and I were seeing, but literally there was like this little nice little thing here because it wasn't flush. We just pushed and it had this little like pop sound where it just.
It's like a little nubby.
Yeah, it just
nubby
fits in. So I was just saying, like, because I've heard that the STs were having issues making them flush, so I thought I was gonna have some issues, but I guess on the RSs they may have made that little nubby thing to where it. I don't know.
Nice. So yeah. Let's get a quick like light show here. I got the little LED turn signal. Yeah. That had like 10 horsepower. I'm joking.
That the gentleman had before is get the cob access port for this car, and then I do want to get. I'm gonna get a different exhaust just because I want some noise out of it. It's not because this one isn't adequate. And then I just need to go get a tune. and I'm gonna do an E30 tune actually. So, and with those numbers, do you want me to say?
No, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Like I said, we don't want to divulge everything in one video because, again, we need you to come back and watch some more. So stay tuned. Like I said, also with Riri, stay tuned because there's more in depth with her. So what I'm going to do here, this has been a long enough video. This has been longer than the normal video that I actually shoot. I typically try to keep it a little short and sweet, but you know, I wanted to incorporate my build, or add-on, I should say, as well as Prestons tail lights that's going in. But as always, like, share, subscribe. As I say, turn on that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And give me a thumbs up because those thumbs up help out so much. But until then, I'll holler at your next video.